Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video, we will learn how to look at your FPS in Roblox. So firstly, go to the search section of Windows. In here, you will have to type Roblox player. After that, click on open. Let the player load properly. And in order to see our FPS, firstly we will need to go into any game. So I'll just go into this game. So after you get into the game, all you need to do is go to your keyboard and press Shift plus F5. Now you will see that on the left top hand side of your screen, you can see your frames per second, your physics score, render score, and network meter. So in order to disable it or remove it from your screen, all you have to do is just press Shift plus F5 again and it will go. So this is how you can see FPS in Roblox. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.